I just want to let everyone know that all of my courses are currently 50% off. Now let's get back to the video. Hey, what's up guys? It's me from my channel. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And today I want to talk about 8 businesses that you can start with just your laptop. Alright, so before we get into the video, I just want to tell you guys that starting any of these businesses will require some sort of money. Because even if you're redoing it from home or from your laptop, you still need some money to start. Alright, so first one is selling digital products and services. This is a really great business model for beginners. And you don't have to be tech savvy at all. You don't have to learn how to code or anything like that. All you would do is simply find a problem that you can solve, either through an ebook, a course, a template, etc. For example, if you're really good at social media marketing, you could create a course teaching people how to do it, and then sell that course online. Or, let's say you're an accountant. You can create templates for things like taxes and sell those. The possibilities are really endless here. And you can basically create and sell anything that is digital. And the best part is, once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again without having to create a new one every time. This means that you can eventually scale the business by simply running ads or other marketing campaigns and sending traffic to your sales page. Also, this is a great business model if you want to sell on platforms like Etsy, because Etsy is perfect for digital products. But if you want to sell on your own website, I recommend using Shopify, which is what I use for all of my websites. The next one is dropshipping. So, in simple terms, this is where you sell a product on your website, but you never actually have the product in stock. Instead, when someone buys from your store, you buy the product from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to your customer. So you literally don't have to handle the product at all. There are many benefits to doing this. And the main one is that you don't have to worry about inventory, because your supplier will handle all of that for you. So this means that you can start the business with very little money, because you won't have to pay for any inventory up front. However, you do need a certain amount of money to cover marketing expenses and to buy the products when a customer places an order. Now, there are many different ways to market a dropshipping store. Some people use Facebook ads, and others use influencer marketing. The most important thing is to make sure that you're targeting the right audience. Otherwise, you'll just be wasting money. There are also many different platforms that you can sell on, like eBay and Amazon. But if you do sell on Amazon, make sure that you follow the rules, or else you'll get banned. Alright, the next one is print on demand. This is another business model where you won't have to handle any inventory yourself, because everything is handled by a third-party company. The way this works is that when someone places an order for one of your products, the order is sent to the print-on-demand company, who then prints the product and ships it directly to your customer. Just like with dropshipping, the main benefit of this business model is that you don't have to handle any inventory yourself. And this means that you can start the business with very little money, because you won't have to pay for any inventory up front. You only need some money to run ads or to pay for other marketing expenses. When it comes to selling print-on-demand products, platforms like Redbubble and Society6 are probably the most popular ones. But if you want to sell on your own website, I recommend using Shopify. Next, we have web design and development. So if you're good at coding and stuff like that, you could offer your services on websites like Fiverr. Now, I would unnecessarily recommend this one as a beginner, because it does require a certain level of skill. But if you're good at this stuff, it could be a great side hustle for you. Alright, the next one is affiliate marketing. And this is definitely one of the best online businesses that you can start. With affiliate marketing, you basically promote other people as products and services, and you earn a commission on anything that you sell. So you don't have to create your own products or anything like that. All you would have to do is simply find a good affiliate program to join and then promote the products through a link that you get from the affiliate program. For example, let's say you have a YouTube channel where you review tech products. You could join an affiliate program for a company like Apple and then paste your affiliate link in the description of your videos. Then whenever someone watches your video and clicks on the link to buy an Apple product, you'll earn a commission. And you don't necessarily need a YouTube channel to do this. You can basically do this from anywhere. For example, You can start a blog and write reviews and tutorials and paste your links in the posts. Or you can use social media to promote products. Really, the possibilities are endless here. All right, the next one is email marketing. With this business model, you basically send emails to a group of people promoting products or services, and you earn commissions on anything that you sell. So, just like with affiliate marketing, you don't have to create your own products or anything like that. The main difference between email marketing and affiliate marketing is that with email marketing, you're rebuilding your own list of subscribers, whereas with affiliate marketing, you not. Now, I do have a full course on email marketing that goes in depth into how to set everything up. All right, next we have virtual assistants. So if you're good at administrative tasks and stuff like that, you could offer your services as a virtual assistant. Many people are looking for virtual assistants, and you could easily find clients on websites like Up. And the last one is transcription. If you're good at typing and listening to audio, you could offer transcription services on websites like Rev. So those are 8 businesses that you can start with just your laptop. Now, I know that there are many different ways that you can make money online, and I do have courses on most of them. But if you're a complete beginner, I would suggest starting with either affiliate marketing or email marketing, because they are both really great business models. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.